Undunankulu usegxeke kakhulu mayelana nokungadaluli kwakhe uhlobo lwamacala okungaziphathi ngendlela efanele yabhekene noFritz. Sekuphinde kwaba nemibuzo mayelana nesikhathi ezidlulile kusukela ethola lezinsolo kuze kugcine kumiswa uFritz emsebenzini. Kepha uWinde uyagcizelela ukuthi ulandele umthetho ukuze aqiniseke ukuthi yakunyathelwa amalungelo alabo abafake izikhalo.
If they, as the complainants, say to me they are happy, and of course that was part of the discussion with the independent investigator, so they will ask if they are happy that I make it public, which is what I put to the investigator, and if they are happy I will make it public. But up until that stage I will protect the interests of the people who brought the case.
Ihhovisi likakhomishana wamaphoyisa esifundazweni lithi sekuqalwe uphenyo kanti lisalinde ukuthola wonke amaphepha amayelana nalolu daba ngaphambi kokuvulwa kwecala.
Make sure that we are protecting the system so that the charges can be laid. Even from my own process, which is an independent investigation, out of that process we will then find out what charges can be laid. But at the end of the day, it is the people who brought these issues to me who personally need to actually lay those charges, and we need to give them all the help that they need.
Amalungu e-ANC wona acikice uhlu lwezikhalo abhikisha ngaphansi kwesishayamthetho sesifundazwe athi akhathazekile ngokuthi namanje akukavulwa icala emaphoyiseni.
One wonders if they are safe enough to report the matter to the law enforcement officers without fear of intimidation or victimization.
We are not buying his version of that he wanted to, on the insistence of the victims, not to make it public. We're not asking for him to make it public. We asked him he should have reported it to the police.
Kusenjalo obambe kwezokuphepha komphakathi uAlbert uthi izisebenzi zivumelekile ukucela uxhaso ngaso sonke isikhathi kulomnyango.